A, which when multiplied with 4 will be divisible by 3. 4 2s are 8, not divisible. 4 1s are not divisible. 4 3s are 12, yes, that is possible because 12 is divisible by 3. So, A equals to 3. Okay. Now you got the number 33033. A. Now you got this number. But what is asked? Here, this number is not asked. The question is how many 5-digit numbers can be formed in this way? How many? Okay. Let's check the other numbers. Multiply this by 2. So it will be 66066. Right? Multiply by, if you multiply by 2. Multiply by 3. 99099. Multiply by 4. Then it will be 12. So it won't be a 5-digit number then. It will be 6 or 7-digit. I think so 6-digit. Okay. But we want what? Only 5-digit. So which numbers are possible? 1, 2 and 3. So only 3-digit 3 numbers are possible which are divisible by 33 and which are 5 digits. Okay. So answer is 3 numbers possible. The option will be 3, 4, 5, whatever. So tick or infinite also. Tick to 3. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.